Hi, welcome to DigiVisdom. In this today's video tutorial, we are going to discuss about responsive search ads. Let's get started. So, by the name you can understand, this is a search type ad that you can create under your search campaigns. So, this is similar to normal expanded text ads and search ads, but the only difference you find is the number of headlines and the number of descriptions. In normal text ad, that in our expanded text ad, you will find 3 headlines and 2 descriptions. But in this responsive search ads, you will find maximum 15 headlines and 4 descriptions. So this is the only difference between this normal expanded text ad and the responsive search ads. So now we will see how to create this responsive search ads. So this is one of my dummy Google Ads account. In this I am going to show you how to create this responsive search ad. So just click on this plus campaign, click on new campaign, choose leads as your objective and click on search campaign type. From here I am not going to choose anything, just click on continue. This is my campaign name, so this campaign name is test campaign name responsive search ads, and I'm not going to choose this display network, and the location I'm going to target is India. Languages by default it will be English. Yes, I want to show my ads to English user interface audience. Budget, I want to spend 500 rupees per a day for this campaign. The bidding type, I want to choose manual CPC. This is my bid strategy. This is my bidding type. Click on save and continue. So this is a dummy campaign, so I am not choosing many options here. So now we have come to this ad group section. This is my ad group name 1, and the default bid I want to spend is 25 rupees per click. And the keywords is something like digital marketing agency. I want to show my ads when somebody is searching on Google for digital marketing agency. Now just click on save and continue. Now we are done with campaign and ad group creation. Now we have come to this ad level. So here you have to choose, click on this cancel and click on this responsive search ad. Just click on this responsive search ad. Okay, from here you have to give your final URL. For example, this is my website. So yeah, this is the final URL I want people to go to my website, and the display URL will be something digital butterfly path, and here you see you can write up to 15 headlines, but in a normal text as ad, as I told you, you can write up to only 3 headlines, but here you can write up to 15 headlines. You can see, just hover your mouse on this question mark and you can see enter 3 to 15 headlines. You can enter up to 15 headlines, and when you come to the description you can add up to 4 headlines. You can see, you just hold your mouse and you can see the number of descriptions, maximum descriptions you can write here is 4. Enter 2 to 4 descriptions, and the character limit is same. Character limit is what? For headlines it will be 30 characters, and for descriptions it will be 90 characters. Okay, see here, this is 30 character limit headlines, and for description the length is 90 characters. Now we will write something. For example, my first headline would be digital marketing agency. And what my second headline, something like my company name, DigiVisdom, and my third headline would be digital marketing company, and my fourth URL would be online marketing agency, and another URL, another internet marketing company. See, so like this you can add up to 15 headlines, and you just scroll a bit down, and now you can enter your descriptions. Description something like this: website designing and digital marketing services company, web design development digital marketing services company. And you can write another description as well, something similar to this. For example, this is a dummy text I am entering here. Just copy and paste company and digital marketing, website designing and offer best solutions. This is my headline description too, sorry. And you can add up to 4 descriptions. You can write as 4 descriptions here. Here one thing you have to observe that, for example, these 15, out of these 15 headlines, Google will show one of my 3 of my headlines according to the user search query. For example, if you have or if you add more keywords in a single ad group, okay, so based on this user query, Google will show your headline 1, headline 2 and headline 3 randomly. So it will choose and it will pick the headlines randomly. But if you do not want to choose your headlines randomly, you can select which one do you want in the headline 1, which headline do you want to have in the headline 2, or which headline you want to be on the headline 3. For example, this digital marketing company, I want this text in my H1. I want this digital marketing company to be in headline 1. So now I just pin this. You just click on this pin symbol and you can set this as your headline 1. Now see, show this headline only in position 1. Okay, so though you have 15 headlines, Google will show this digital marketing company headline 1. Just click on this. Now this will be your H1. Now Google can show other headlines in H2 and H3. No, I want this to be my H2 headline to digital marketing agency. Just click on this pin symbol and you make it as H2. Now what Google will do? Google by default show this digital marketing company in your headline 1 and this digital marketing agency in headline 2. But this headline 3 Google will pick randomly. So this is how you can choose which headline you want in H1, which headline you want in H2, which headline you want in H3. So with this help of responsive search ads, what is the benefit that we get is you can increase the CTR for your ads. Okay, so in normal text ad or expanded text ads, you cannot enter more than 3 headlines. But in the case if you have more keywords that you want to add into the ad group, so better you create one expanded text ad, you create one responsive search ads. So responsive search ads have the maximum capacity to add 15 headlines and 4 descriptions. So it will be giving more space for us to create different headlines and different descriptions. So this will definitely improve the CTR for your ads. Hope it will be useful. Thank you.